Ever wondered, is Monzo really the best card to use when I'm traveling overseas? I've taken Monzo on trips across Europe, Asia, and the Americas, and after hundreds of transactions, I can definitively say that if you use it correctly, it's easily one of the best tools in your travel wallet. But there are a few simple rules you need to follow to get the most out of it and avoid unnecessary fees. Globe showing Europe Africa the zero-fee sweet spot. The core benefit of Monzo abroad is the zero-fee transaction in the local currency. When you use your Monzo debit card to pay for something in euros, US dollars, Thai baht, or any other foreign currency, Monzo converts the sterling amount using the MasterCard exchange rate, and this is consistently close to the mid-market rate, much better than most high street banks. My first key piece of advice is, always pay in the local currency. When a card machine asks, would you like to pay in GBP, sterling, or the local currency, e.g., euro, always select the local currency option. If you choose GBP, the retailer's bank performs a process called dynamic currency conversion, DCC, and they use their own poor exchange rate, which is how you get hit with hidden fees. Let Monzo do the conversion, not the local shop. Moneybag the ATM withdrawal trap. This is where people often get caught out. While Monzo is fantastic for paying by card, there are limits on fee-free cash withdrawals. EEA countries, Europe, you get unlimited fee-free ATM withdrawals. Outside the EEA, rest of the world, you get a limit of $200/£200 fee-free every 30 days. Once you hit that threshold outside the EEA, Monzo charges a 3% fee on the amount withdrawn. My second key piece of advice is, plan your cash needs. Only withdraw cash when absolutely necessary, such as in rural areas, and try to keep your non-EEA withdrawals under the $200 limit per 30 days. For everything else, use your Monzo card to pay directly. It saves you the 3% charge and is simply more secure. Locked security and notification must-dos. One of the most valuable features when traveling is the instant notification. Every time I pay for something, I get a push notification that shows the local currency amount, the converted GBP amount, and the category it was spent in, all in real time. This is crucial for security. If I see a transaction I didn't make, I can immediately freeze my card in the app. My third key piece of advice is, set your card up before you leave. Enable gambling block and magstripe ATM support in the app if you know you'll be using older ATMs, especially in some parts of Asia. I recommend toggling this on when you travel to prevent unexpected issues. Set a spending budget in the Monzo app for your trip. It helps you track exactly how much you're spending in your home currency. I also always carry a backup card, another fee-free travel card, or a credit card, just in case I lose my Monzo card or the machine doesn't accept MasterCard. Never rely solely on one card. Monzo isn't just a travel card, it's a financial companion that gives you control and transparency abroad, provided you remember the simple rules: pay in the local currency, be aware of the non-EEA cash withdrawal limit, and use the security features in the app. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.